I'm Chef Leslie Durso, and I'm here with my dear friend and mentor, Ric Scalzo, creator of Kokora, which is an incredible new line of superfoods and adaptogens. And today, we've got the 7 Mocha Magic, and I'm gonna make a little 7 Mocha Magic. I said magic in it. It's 7 Mushroom Mocha. I keep calling it magic because it is magical and it makes you feel magical, not in a weird psychedelic way, but it just makes you feel alive.
Yes.
And so the typical use of this is to add it with non-dairy milk or with water and heat it up and drink it as kind of like a warm, hot chocolatey kind of a beverage. But today we're gonna make a chia seed pudding out of it. That's perfect for breakfast. So I just whisked together a little non-dairy milk with some chia seeds, a little splash of maple, and 2 teaspoons of our 7 Mushroom Mocha. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge. I'll be right back. Da, 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 da. Magic of TV. I'm gonna add some of my favorite ingredient in the whole world, if you know me, blueberries. I eat like 2 to 4 cups a day. I'm a blueberry-aholic. So nervous, but how beautiful is that? It's just a great texture. It's nice and thick and hopefully delicious. Ready? Perfect way to start the day. Perfect midday snack to boost your energy. The serving suggestion for this is 3 rounded teaspoons. So in 3 rounded teaspoons, which is what we put in this, you're saying that you have the equivalent of how much?
About 8 500 milligram capsules.
That's insane. Okay, so I want everyone out there to stop taking capsules of their supplements and start eating their supplements.